So what we're doing right now is we sold a set of RDB wheels. Basically, the customer wanted everything complete, so that's what we're gonna do. His rims are ready, tires are here, ready to be shipped out. We're gonna mount them, balance them, put brand new TPMS sensors in them as well. All he's gonna do is just take it and put it on the car. It's gonna be ready. He doesn't have to do anything. Mounted, balanced, all done. Tires are going to our RDB wheel factory. It's gonna be mounted there.
Why not here?
It's faster that way because the wheels are already there, so we don't have to drag the wheels here and put them on and ship them. So this way it's faster. We have the team there to take care of this for us.
So you got a whole Uber just to get the...
Correct, yeah. So I'm just gonna have to put $75 on the bill. All right, so we have this BMW X5 here. This is a new client of ours. This car, believe it or not, if you guys look at it this way, it might not seem like there's much been done to it, but there's a lot of pieces that we did wrap gloss black. So if you guys look closely, the whole front end of this car, it was silver before. Complete nose is done. All the right side bottom pieces are done. You guys also see the top of the car has been blacked out along with the window trims. Also the rear exhaust tips and the emblems. The wheels are powder coated as well. So they look really good. It's pretty simple, looks nice. I think it's really clean finish. Front windows are not tinted yet. Customer wanted to see it, so possibly front window tint later. That's basically it for this car. Put Arby's in. You guys all right?
I just had lunch.
Yeah, we ate at 1 o'clock.
And you're already getting Arby's at 3?
It's worth it, no?
Hey, you want something?
No,
Arby's.
Zumi's hungry. He's hungry and Zumi's hungry.
You want Arby's?
No, he wants.
He's lying.
Who wants Arby's? Somebody want Arby's here?
Joe wants
I
Arby's.
said I'm not hungry.
Joe,
Look, I think the biggest curveball here would be if we got sponsored by Arby's. Arby's sponsors the RDB. I'm down to make like a kid's child meal, and it comes with like a little car.
I put Arby's and Vaughn's Market.
Are you really hungry? I'm about to throw up.
on the seat.
I don't know. Can you watch me? Let me get in.
Why'd you park right here?
Somebody just told me you guys gonna take this. Are you guys gonna take it or no?
I don't know. How do you know how to do that? Oh, shit. My bad, sir.
We got fan love. Hey, look at this email. It's called A Sexy Sarkis. Oh my! Caesar Trevino made that, and he made a little RDB podcast banner too.
Oh my god.
So I put this on a shirt.
Yeah.
Okay, look, I could do a shirt with this,
You get
and I'll
20.
give you 10% of all the sales.
Oh, what?
That's a good deal.
Let's do your first.
I'm down.
10% of sales.
That's a lot of money.
Why are these cars so close to each other? Hey, Sarkis, new job. Yeah, hiring drivers, drive the Pizza Hut M5
It's
delivery.
8 slices.
Bro, these things look so
Oh,
bad.
wow.
It doesn't look edible.
Try it.
Why do you have to get the sausage on
Try
there?
it. Just try it.
Why can't you just get a regular pizza?
Oh, it's so hot. Hold on.
It is a fucking regular
hot,
pizza.
hot, hot.
We eat this all the time.
We are now in the beautiful gray and orange Pista. The car's very, very low, especially the rear diffuser, which is insanely low. It also now has 21, 22-inch wheels. So we gotta be extra careful with this car. It is super, super low and aggressive. And now we're on the street. So, as you guys recall, we did this car a few weeks ago. My buddy Mo bought this beautiful spec Pista. Look at these orange seats. You can kind of see them really, really sick if you do the head tilt selfie.
Why did you close the top?
Honestly, Sarkis, you have the worst inputs. We're gonna open the top now because it looks better with the top down. Why not? This car has full matte carbon everywhere. We have the wheels on there, and we're really showing off the wheels, which are custom Velos wheels, 21, 22-inch, 3-piece. We want to do something very, clean on it. We didn't want to do anything drastic. The Pista is a very special vehicle, and it deserves very clean wheels that don't take away from the car, honestly. So we opted with these wheels and I think they look incredibly nice. Next up for this car will be a RYFT exhaust system and a tune. So it's gonna get the RYFT exhaust and it'll sound much better because right now it just sounds a little bit weak, and that will wake it up a lot. After that, I think that's it for this car. It's protected, it has a full clear bra on there. We're not going to change the color of it. Mo wants to do orange brake calipers, but I told him honestly, let's just leave it OEM, it looks good. But he might still want to do calipers orange, we'll see. But yeah, beautiful Pista, probably my favorite. Top 3 Ferrari that we've ever touched. So yeah, very proud of it. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy it. Alright guys, we're standing in front of that crazy black wide body Cullinan we did. This car kind of did it as a rush, so, and it's a paint, it's not wrap, so we were unable to sand and buff it in the proper time. The customer wanted to enjoy it, so we got it back to buff it and polish it. So right now we're gonna in mid process of buffing, polishing it, and this is the type of shit nobody shows you, but we noticed one of the rear flares had a little crack in it. So it looks like the 26-inch wheel is just lowered too much and maybe it bottomed out. We're not sure why the flare cracked, but we're gonna replace it real fast for the customer. So right now Luis is trying to remove it safely. Once he glues it on, it's very hard to take it off, so he's probably sweating over there, going crazy removing that. But yeah, we're gonna be replacing that flare for the customer. It's the proper thing to do. Why you have double shirt?
No, because for the this one I use for carbon for the carbon fiber.
Yeah, but you're not doing that right now.
I was sending over there in the back.
That was like 3 hours ago. You've had a very strong 2 weeks.
More money. The glue this guy used is really strong. So.
After 10 years of body kits falling off, we figured out the right glue, huh? Very nice. Now before falling off, it just breaks.
Now it's breaks
yeah.
problems. Yeah. After 6 no uniforms, I can take care of my dish. Yeah. This guy killed me, man.
Who did?
Big. It's crazy.
You talk to HR.
You think so? Look. He is like a little kid, always doing something.
You said he's calling HR.
Okay, I'm right here.
Him. What is HR? Horchata? What's the mean? Somebody tell me, please, what's the HR? Everybody laughing at me.
Alright guys, if the video quality is weird, Joe rented out his camera again. So he's making side money off of RDB and ruining the YouTube channel. Yeah, that's what we get. So if you know any good video editors, hit us up. We hear all you guys saying you want 4K video, but Joe doesn't want to do it because he says it takes more memory off his computer. Anyways, here we have a SL Mercedes. Old car, really cool car. As you can see, it is navy blue. This car originally was navy blue, but now this is actually a wrap. This is from Inozatec. It's a brand new color, never been seen before. We're teasing you now. We're not going to show you too much of the car. So Joe, don't go filming the whole car. Just show like maybe this angle, because Inozatec is going to also drop this car with us when it's fully done. So yeah, new color coming out, so it's gonna be really cool. Over there we got a satin clear bra Urus, all getting satin clear bra. I also think it's getting a wide body. I think Moses did that deal, so I'm not sure. Moses, I think, sold 3 wide body kits for Uruses in this last week. I can't even keep up, but I think that's one of them. It has orange interior, really cool. He's also working on a gray Aventador there that has a full body kit. We have a golf cart. My client just bought this. He's going to Burning Man, which is in less than a week. We have to wrap it. So we took it apart. It has like a cover, everything. So we took it all apart. This is gonna get a custom glow-in-the-dark diachromatic wrap. Just like kind of Chris Brown's car you guys saw us do. So this is gonna be completely reflective at Burning Man. Whenever you put a light on it or flash photography, it's going to be hella bright. So that's the golf car right there. We have a Bentley Mulsanne over there that we just finished up for the 10X guys, and that was white before. It's fully wrapped in satin black and gloss black accents, all that stuff. Tesla Plaid over there, Model X. This is also a full satin clear bra. As you can see, this is the factory white color, but it is satin clear bra now. So protected and also in a satin white finish. That Urus right there is also a satin clear bra. A lot of satin clear bras. That's our probably most common thing we're doing at the wrap shop right now is satin clear bras. We did a forged carbon fiber 1016 kit, but not wide body. And now he opted to do the hood, so we're gonna put a hood on there as well. Another new Range Rover right here. This one's getting blacked out and it's getting RDB wheels. This is the 7-seater long wheelbase. Hopefully I'm gonna get my hands on one of these. Personally, I really like this car. It has the seats in the back that fold up. Tundra truck over there, G63 over there. There's a lot of cars here, as you can tell. And we're doing a lot of wraps. We don't visit here often because it's really hot, honestly, so I wanna go back. Even though I put air conditioner in here, John doesn't like to turn the AC on. Okay, you can't talk to John ever because he just cusses people out. But yeah, that's your weekly update at the wrap shop. We're looking for more help here. He's complaining that he's working too hard. So if you're a parts remover installer, experience on nice cars, hit us up.